We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We're showing you how to make our homemade Italian wedding soup. Our version marries homemade meatballs with a rich and savory broth. The soup is so good, I have a hard time only eating one serving. Let's start with the meatballs. Add breadcrumbs, milk, and an egg to a large bowl and stir until combined. When the milk is absorbed by the breadcrumbs, add shredded Parmesan cheese, salt, pepper, and oregano. Stir again and then add ground meat. You can use whatever ground meat you like. Beef, pork, turkey, and chicken will all work. We love using a combination of pork and turkey to make our meatballs. They are juicy, savory, and delicious. Before making the soup, we want to brown the meatballs. We do this in the bottom of the pot we plan on making the soup in. By using the same pot, any browned bits that stick to the bottom of the pot can be scraped up and stirred into the soup, making the broth much more flavorful. When the meatballs are well browned, transfer them to a bowl. For the soup, we need some onion, carrot, and celery. The full recipe with ingredient amounts is found on Inspired Taste. Okay, let's put the soup together. Cook the veggies in the pot you browned the meatballs in. We are looking for them to soften slightly. As they cook, use a spoon to scrape up any brown bits that are stuck to the bottom. Add garlic and stir it around the pot a bit, add a bay leaf, and then pour in stock. Let this simmer for about 20 minutes, then add some pasta and the meatballs. Simmer for another 10 minutes or until the pasta is cooked. Remove the bay leaf, and then stir in some fresh greens and herbs. I'm adding fresh spinach and parsley. And that's it. Homemade Italian wedding soup that's so good it is hard to only eat one bowl. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.